Good news, good news, good news. Guys, as you are aware that Atiku is in the US, is in the district court in US pleading that the court should order Chicago State University, okay, please, before I proceed, when I'm going to be referring to Chicago State University in this update, I'm going to be referring to them as Chicago State University, CSU. All right. When I say CSU, just know that I'm referring to Chicago State University. So as you are aware, Atiku is in the district court in US pleading that the court should order CSU to release all the credentials, all the documents regarding Tinubu, Pablo Escobar, that he needs. Remember, initially CSU refused, but the good news now is this: the court has just ordered that Chicago State University, CSU, must release all the documents that is needed by Atiku in the next 2 days. Within 2 days, everything must be released to Atiku. Guy, this is good news. Let's proceed. What are the things Atiku is demanding of CSU to give to him regarding Pablo Escobar? Number one, he wants CSU to produce certificate template that the school issued to Tinubu in the year 1979. Before I proceed, guys, remember that CSU has what's it called? A kind of a book history in their website. They have the book record of 81, 80, 78, 77. But when this issue started, they removed that of 79. All right. Okay. So the article is pleading, which the court has ordered, that certificate template that the school issued to Tinubu in 1979 must be released to Atiku. Number one. Number two, Atiku is also okay. So the school, part of what the judge has ordered. Number two, the school will also produce a copy of certificate they issue to someone else. Sorry, a copy of the certificate. Yeah, a copy of the certificate they issued to Tinubu in the year 1979. A copy of it. Number three, they will also produce a copy of certificate that look like the one Tinubu submitted to INEC, but with another person's name. They will produce a copy, get this right, a copy of certificate they give to someone else that look like the one Tinubu submitted to INEC. So it must be the same, but it was the one they all issue to somebody else. They will produce that. Remember, Tinubu's lawyer told court that CSU made mistake in the certificate that was issued to him. I hope you guys remember. But CSU lawyer came out and denied that they do not have any clue of that certificate Tinubu is talking about. He came out and denied. Number four, Atiku wants CSU to produce a staff member of the school that will answer to some questions. Guys, what are these questions Atiku wants the staff member of CSU to answer? Question number one, Atiku wants the person to narrate. He wants the person to narrate how and where they got the document. Number two, he wants the person to, Atiku, number two question Atiku wanted to answer, Atiku wants CSU to give their disposition regarding the document, all the documents Tinubu produced in Nigeria court proceeding. All the documents Pablo Escobar produced in Nigeria court proceeding at the tribunal. He wants them to give their disposition regarding the document. Number three, they will also produce content. They will also produce content of Westberg. They also produce content of Westberg. Excuse me, guys. Sorry for the interruption. They will also produce content of Westberg affidavit. This is the person that produced affidavit. Sorry, this is the person that deposed affidavit that one Bola Tinubu graduated from the school. I'm sure you guys remember that. It was one that deposed, the affidavit that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, graduated from the school. You understand? So they want the person to come and explain. He must break it down. All right. He must tell them how details of this Bola Ahmed Tinubu that graduated from the school. But guess what? Unfortunately, they are saying they don't have the record of the person, including when he graduated. Because as a foreign student, when you apply in a foreign school, you must submit proof of your record, your flight ticket, and everything. But CSU don't have this. All right. But now the court has ordered that Atiku want the person they will produce to explain this to them, details of this person. Guys, looking at the scope of what Atiku is demanding, you will know that there is fire on the matter. I am telling you. I am so glad. I'm so glad that this is happening in the US, unlike Nigeria. Unlike Nigeria, that the justice system is not only corrupt, but is rotty. Rotty. See, United States may not be perfect, guys. Let's understand this. Their judicial system may not be perfect. I was a fan of Donald Trump, right? Remember, there was some issues. So they may not be perfect. But guys, we must tell ourselves the truth. Where Nigeria judicial system is, United States of America is an agent. Their judicial system is a million times better than us. Don't forget that Nigeria have one of the worst judicial system in Africa. Just imagine, I saw a video where the former Senate President Lawa was explaining, that before election, the results going to be transmitted live, and they came out live. Now, rather than the courts to have held INEC responsible for going against their own electoral regulations that they brought a law, but they went in. You can see our judges, they were literally trying to write another law. And it is not court, it's not judges that made law, it's the House of Assembly. So they are not trying to say, House of Assembly, their effort that they used to pass the electoral law, they were all wasted. Guys, there is fire on the matter as I speak to you. There is fire. Court ordered that within 2 days, CS must give everything demanded, required of Atiku. I thank God, let Pablo Escobar also go to US now, since he has been able to use money to seal up the mouth of judges in Nigeria. Thank God he has limit, he has boundary. He could not do that to the judges in the US. Guys, I'm so excited with this. I'm so excited, because if Atiku is able to get this, including the audio record, because this person is going to be, his interview is going to be recorded, then they will submit it at Supreme Court. Let's see how Supreme Court is going to work against this. Let's see. God bless you guys. Please ensure you give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. Please share it widely for everyone to see. And please don't forget to follow me on YouTube, as my name is on Facebook, Holy Ghost Son. So it is on YouTube, Holy Ghost Son. God bless you. I will see you